Site Manager now offers administrators the ability to customize the self-service portal where users can report their issues and get help from IT. In the main interface of Site Manager, we'll use the menu to navigate to administration. We'll be looking at two tabs, Branding and the Self-Service Form Builder. On the Branding tab, there are two features, the header text and the self-service logo. The header text that you type into the box will appear in the self-service portal in place of the default SyAM software header. To display your logo in the portal, click the Browse button to upload the file. The image file needs to be in a format supported by the browser, and you'll want to make it the size that looks right to you on the page. We'll save our changes. Here's the self-service portal before branding. Refresh the page and we'll see the new header text and logo displayed. Back in administration, when we click the Self-Service Form Builder tab, some simple instructions are shown. The Form Builder lets you customize the self-service portal interface to fit your own environment. For any editable block of text in the interface, you can click on it in the Form Builder and it brings up an area where you can make the edits. You have a Save button to save changes when you're done, and a Clear button that will wipe out any custom text you've entered and reset to the defaults. We'll click OK when we've read the instructions and we're ready to get started. In the Form Builder, we'll click the heading and change the default text, which is Help Desk Self-Service Ticketing, to Self-Service IT Problem Reporting. As soon as we click anywhere else on the page, we suppress the edit box and our edits are displayed. Now, in this case, this heading is also displayed when you create a new ticket, and you'll see that it's been changed here as well. Back up in the first section, the text that displays under the header we'll leave alone, but we could click and edit that as well. Now let's click the Create New Ticket button and we'll change the text there to Report a New Problem. The header that's displayed over the grid of old tickets, we'll change that to Previously Reported Problems. If our sites have locations that correspond to buildings or departments, we can change the heading here. Click the Next button to show the next page of the Create New Tickets interface. You'll see now we have building displayed where location would be the default, because we changed it on the last screen. If we mouse over some text and the outline box is displayed, this means we can click the text and edit. We can navigate through the screens one by one, make any changes we'd like, and then the Return button takes us back to the first screen. When we're done with all our edits, we can click Save. Now, when we enter the self-service portal and refresh the page, we see the custom header and logo that we set up in branding and the changes we made to the subheading and to the button name. When we click the button to create a new ticket, these screens will also reflect any changes that we've made in the self-service form builder. We can go back to administration and clear out the changes that we made on the branding tab or in the self-service form builder or in both. When we go back to the self-service portal, we're back to the default settings.